What are you doing, Hannah? Oh no, we're gonna be in trouble when Grandma comes home. What do you see? That's a lot of water. What are you doing? You're splashing. Oh boy, golly, are you splashing? Oh, your face is all wet. Yeah, you did more. Do you like splashing? Oh, yes, you do. Do you like splashing? Oh, you hear the computer make a noise? Did Daddy make a noise? Oh, boy. You are soaking the kitchen. This is going to require a mop. Yeah. That's it.